Wow. So currently I'm in profit of about 407.40 US dollars. Wow. But guess what? This is just a demo account. You know, I always say that any beginner who doesn't want to or who don't trade a demo account will blow more than necessary accounts. Because if you don't start with a demo account and you want to found your account the moment you begin because you want to get rich quick, you are going to blow more than necessary account. So this is my demo account, and this is prof firm that I have bought, and I am doing the challenge. I almost blown this account and have learned my lessons. You can see the loss size I'm now using 0.01. I'm now using a loss size of 0.01. I don't use even 0.1. I don't use. I use only 0.01, and that is what I'm going, because I am being in the drawdown for about 3 days now. So I'm trying to recover before, if I can what, go in big. So this is my profit trading account, and this is the account I'm using currently for the challenge, the $10 to $1,000 challenge, currently at 21.79 US dollars. So guys, I sent this trade I think around 2 a.m. or somewhere around 2 that way. So you can see this was the setup. This is GBP AUD, and the trade is playing out well. You can see that I've come to my zone of support, and now I'm just waiting for confirmation. It will be a W pattern or a pattern that will show that this trade is going to reverse upward. Then I'm going to go in. So guys, let's keep our eye on it. So guys, this is an update of the trade, and I want to show you how the trade play out. You know, the price was here, and I was anticipating that the price was going to come down here to form either a W pattern or any pattern that will show that the price was going to go upward. So let me change my time frame to 1 hour. So immediately price came down here, I changed my time frame to 1 hour. Then, you know, I don't take trade in 1 hour. I just check for confirmations at the 1 hour time frame. Then I go to 15 minutes to take my trade. So I came down to 1 hour. Then I scaled down to 15-minute time frame, waiting to see confirmation before I go in. So when I went in for the 15-minute time frame, you know, I was actually waiting to see some kind of pattern before I'll enter the trade. So these are the price play out. You know, it came, I formed this. I didn't go in because this can just, you know, if I take from here, maybe my stop loss will just be around this zone, and I will have gotten stop out. You understand? So I didn't go in. I know this was going to come back here. So it came. Then this is where my W pattern came in. So 1, 2. So immediately I saw the W pattern. Then that time the price was here. Seeing this rejection here and seeing this bullish coming down to this place, then I entered. So I entered from here to the base of this support level here, and it was about 48 pips. You know, guys, you can see how this trade just work out simply. So I cut from here to the base of this support level, and it actually hit my take profit. I will show you, though I'm trading with a small account, but as time goes on, I'm going to grow this account to a bigger one. So guys, subscribe to this channel. Go to my Telegram, go to the description, and join my Telegram. I send signals every day, and we also learn. I teach that place, because I'm a new, and maybe you may also be a new person who is trying to make it in the forex market. We can vibe and link up, make things work for ourselves. So guys, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Join me in my Telegram family so that we can link up. Bye.